Power is the ultimate alternative energy. I'm here with Perry Leitner with Blue Chip Solar and Wind. We're actually on site, one of his customers, to explain how this new technology is helping not only the homeowner but the community as well. Perry?
Blue Chip Solar and Wind offers, number one, our solar panels to spin your meter backwards, set up a net metering agreement with Duke Energy, and sell power back. This particular customer took it one step beyond just selling power back. They also did the off-grid option, which means adding batteries to their system. In addition to that, we did solar, 100% solar air conditioning system, which uses no fossil fuel whatsoever. We also installed space blanket insulation in the attic, and that's like adding 7 feet of insulation to your attic. And this house is totally net zero, which means they have a zero bill at the end of the month and do not pay Duke Energy any money.
Well, Perry, let's take a look and see how the system works.
Les, solar is a complicated system, and it does take licenses, permits, zoning approvals, and we do all of that back office work. So what we have here is DC power coming off of the roof from all of those 40 solar panels.
Okay.
Comes down into these conduit pipes,
Okay.
into this equipment here. After it passes through the inversion process, it is sent back into the standard circuit breaker system to power the house. This system takes it one step beyond that, as I mentioned previously. Besides selling the power back to Duke, the excess power that's generated, it also charges these 2 cabinets of batteries. They kick in the event of a brownout or a power failure or a blackout. Day after day, week after week, this house can run independently of the grid instantaneously. This family would not even know their neighbors lost power. So what we have is the inverter sending power through our net solar meter, and right now this reading is 5,612 kilowatt hours. So that's the amount of power that's been generated back to his panel off his system since the date of inception, which is about 3 months now. And you can see also the Duke Energy meter is registering 5575, so he's actually created 100 more kilowatt hours.
Oh, I see.
Then he's purchased from Duke. So again, this house is net zero. Even through the hottest days and months on record in Cincinnati, with all the air conditioning going, he still has produced more power than he's used.
It's exciting to learn about the new technology in solar power. Thanks, Perry, with Blue Chip Solar and Wind. I'm Les Foltz. That's this week's Green Tip, and remember, think eco-friendly.